All right, we're going to be going over our review before the quiz. So here we're given a data set, and the first thing it says is make a line plot of the data. So remember, with a line plot, we're going to be using x's to represent the numbers. If we look here, it looks like our smallest number is 2, our biggest number is 10. So we have to at least go from 2 to 10, but we could also go ahead and go a little past that if we wanted to. And then we're simply just going to put an x at each spot. 4, 3, 2 5s. Remember, try to make your x's about the same size. 2 10s, a 4, a 5, and a 6. All right, and since we don't know what these numbers represent, we can't put a variable down here, but if it had said these were name links or whatever it was, you would want to put that variable right here. Minimum value, 1 is not our minimum value because there's no data given with it, so 2 would be our minimum value. Our maximum value is the biggest number with data, which is 10. Our range is our maximum value minus our minimum value, so our range should have been 8. Median is our middle number, so we can simply start marking off left and right. And we're left with 2 5s, which means our median is 5. If we were left with a 5 and a 6, then it would have been 5.5. If we were left for some reason with a 5 and a 9, we would add those together and then divide by 2, and it would give us our median. Mode is the one that occurs the most. As we can see, 5 occurs the most. All right, now we need to make a data set of 20 pieces of data, which means I need to have a 20 x's on my line plot. Make the mode 12, median 10, minimum value 5, and maximum value 15. So I always find it easy to start off with my minimum and maximum value. My minimum value is 5, so I'm going to go from 5 to 15. Remember, there's nothing wrong with going farther than that either way. Just making sure that your data actually starts at 5 and ends at 15 is the important piece of information there. All right, so now I've done this. I want my mode to be 12, so that means I'm going to want the most of the data on 12. I'm just going to pick 6, no real specific reason. And so I want to make sure I keep, nothing else is going to go more than 12. My median is going to be 10. Here's my median. So if I want my median to be 10 and I have 20 pieces, if I put 2 of them here, then that's 2 pieces, and I need to have 9 on this side and 9 on that side, and that would give me a total of 20 pieces, and this would be the middle of it. So I have 6, 7 over here already, 8, 9. I only have 1, so I need to add 8 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 9 on the left and 9 on the right, which means that this is my median. And so it's at 10. I just need to double check and make sure I only have 20 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now my information is correct. All right, as we get ready for our quiz, a few reminders. You may use a calculator. You may use your notes. You may use a partner, but you may not use your whole group, so you will only be working with the person next to you. If you do not have someone next to you, when it is an appropriate time, raise your hand and let the sub know, and she will or he will go ahead and pair you up with somebody. Good luck.